Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video, I'll guide you through how to use dual WhatsApp on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to set up two WhatsApp accounts easily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.